Good morning, 6th graders. Today we have math lesson 2. We are learning about double bar graphs. Fun lesson. It's a new concept of a bar graph, but you guys have worked with bar graphs already, so it's not that big of a difference. Go ahead and read your paragraph on the bottom of page 6. So go ahead and, if you have not read that already, go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and read that paragraph for me. All right, so now you guys kind of have an idea what a double bar graph is. It's the same idea, only each thing down here has two bars which show two sets of information. And the way we know what each bar stands for is each double bar graph will have a key like this, all right? And so in our bar graph that we have up here, we are talking about the energy that is produced by each country, all right? So we have the filled in bar is the amount of energy a country used, or how much they consumed and used. The other bar is how much they produced, how much energy each country produced. So what you guys will do is you will use your key and you will use your numbers over here to help you answer your questions on page number 7, which is just 4 questions. And then at the end of your lesson, you guys have another bar graph that you will be answering some questions off of, all right? So the only thing different about a double bar graph is it's representing two sets of information that go with each label down here on your bottom, all right? And you will always have a key to tell you what each bar represents, all right? So let's just actually go ahead and let's do number 1 together in class. Answer the questions about the graph. So number 1 says, which countries consumed more energy than they produced? So which countries used more energy than they gave? So if we look at our bar graph, we need to look at where our dark bar is going to be higher than our bar that isn't filled in. So if you're looking at this, anyone have any idea? It would be China, because the amount they consumed is higher, and it would also be the US, which the amount they consumed is also a lot higher, right? So that's for number 1. Number 2, which countries produced more than they consumed, all right? So that would probably be just the rest of the ones that we didn't use. Which ones produced more energy than they consumed? And then number 3 is which country produced almost as much as it consumed? So which country has a bar that's really, which country produced almost as much as it consumed? So that means it would be producing a little bit less. So which one produced just a little bit less than it consumed? And then number 4, which country consumed almost 10 times the amount of energy as the United Kingdom consumed? So which one 10 times more is going to be 1, 2, it's going to be quite a bit more. So see if you guys can figure those one out. All right, that is all for our new part. And looking over your We Remember section, looks pretty easy. All right, so you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys later.